today.
2,974th and counting.
No shot is too far for Steph Curry.
Oh, you mean this shot?
There it is! Shot of the game.
A ridiculous one.
Most of these, I need a haircut.
Just incredible.
Fresh cut, I'm looking good.
Yo, I'm on a boat.
Nobody has shot with that range in the history of the game.
Oh, okay. I like that one. That's my squad right there. Riley, Ryan, and Cannon. Boom, frame it. Can't make them all. Great.